Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to calculate the price or the purchase price of a bond. We're going to have to figure out the total cost. So we've got the total cost of purchasing a bond is equal to the price plus accrued interest. So we've got the price, which we'll calculate here in a second, and then accrued interest. That's the interest that's accrued since the last payment. So we're going to look at this May 31st of 2020 bond or note. We can't tell by looking at this. Again, we're looking at April 18th as our settlement date. So we've got a 1.5% coupon. And since we're purchasing it, we're looking at the ask price. That's the price at which the dealer is willing to sell it to us. So the first part is fairly simple. The price is, think of this as a percentage. Okay, so that's 100.3203% or 1.003203. So the price is simply the face value times 1.003203, and that is $100,320.30. Okay, the accrued is a little more complicated or a little more involved. Accrued is the face value times the coupon, 0.015 divided by 2 times days since the last payment. Sorry, I'm getting a little sloppy there. Divided by days in period. And I'm going to show you how to calculate days using the date function in your VA2 Plus. So go on to the next page. All right, so the maturity for this bond is May 31, 2020. So that means that our next coupon payment is $531.17, and our last coupon payment is going to be $11/30/2016. All right, and then the other thing we need to note and remember is our settlement date is April 18th, 17. All right, so we'll calculate the days in the period using these two, and then we'll change it to get the days since the last coupon. We'll replace it with the May 31st with the April 18th. So, all right, so we got second date, and so and that'll display DT1, and we're going to enter we're going to enter 11.3016. That's the date, the beginning date of the period. You hit enter, Then you go down arrow, and then DT2, you're going to enter 531, 5.3117. You have to be very specific. So all this comes down, you're going to hit enter, and then the down arrow, and you'll see DBD there. And then if you go down arrow one more time, you'll see either ACT or 360. For this calculation, you need it to read actual. You can switch between actual and 360 by hitting second and enter. So make sure it's you've got it on actual, and you go back up to DVD and hit compute, and you should get 182. Now, if you go up arrow and to DT2, DT2, enter 4.1817, and go down to DBD, hit compute, and you should get 139 days. So the accrued is going to be 100,000 times 0.015 divided by 2, because the payments are semi-annual, times 139 divided by 182. So that number is $572.80. Our total cost is the $100,320.30 plus $572.80, and that total is $100,893.10.